Long-distance relationships are tough. But what if I told you that there are some simple tips and tricks you can use to make your long-distance relationship stronger? That's right, whether you're separated by miles or oceans, you can still maintain a healthy, happy relationship with your partner. So, if you're ready to learn some proven strategies for making your long-distance relationship stronger, then keep watching. Before that, I want to tell you about this great ebook. Everything About Love is your ultimate guide to understanding love and creating strong relationships. Whether you're struggling with attracting the right partner or looking for ways to improve your existing relationship, this ebook offers practical solutions and expert insights that can help you overcome your love-related problems. Get your free copy today and start building the fulfilling relationships you deserve. Clicking the link in the comments. Let's get started. Long-distance relationships can be challenging, but with a little effort, you can make them stronger. The first tip for making your long-distance relationship stronger is to stay connected. Use technology to your advantage by sending each other messages, photos, and videos. Video chat regularly and find creative ways to spend time together, like cooking dinner over video chat. And don't forget the power of a handwritten letter or care package. These tangible expressions of love can mean a lot in a long-distance relationship. Another tip for making your long-distance relationship stronger is to set goals together. Talk about your future plans and create goals that you can work towards together. Find ways to have fun and be silly together, like playing games or watching movies over video chat. And make plans to see each other in person whenever possible. Whether it's a weekend trip or a longer vacation, spending time together in person can help strengthen your bond. One of the most important things you can do to strengthen your long-distance relationship is to communicate openly and honestly. This means being transparent about your thoughts, feelings, and concerns. It can be easy to avoid difficult conversations when you're not physically together, but it's crucial to tackle issues head-on if you want to build a healthy relationship. This also means being a good listener and giving your partner the space to express themselves. Another way to strengthen your long-distance relationship is to share your daily life with each other. This can be done by sending photos, videos, or voice messages of your daily routine. Even the small details can be meaningful and help your partner feel connected to your life. You can also create shared experiences by reading the same book or watching the same TV show and discussing it together. It's also important to respect each other's boundaries and schedules. Long-distance relationships often mean different time zones and busy schedules, so it's crucial to communicate your availability and respect each other's need for space. This means being understanding when your partner can't video chat or respond to messages immediately. Finally, make sure to prioritize your relationship and make time for each other. With the distance and distractions of daily life, it can be easy to let your relationship take a backseat. But if you want to make it work, you need to make it a priority. Set aside time for regular video chats or phone calls, and make plans to see each other in person whenever possible. In summary, by staying connected, setting goals, communicating openly, sharing your daily life, respecting each other's boundaries, and prioritizing your relationship, you can make your long-distance relationship stronger than ever. With a little effort and dedication, you can build a healthy, happy relationship that will stand the test of time and distance. In our next video, we'll be discussing some common mistakes to avoid in a long-distance relationship. We'll talk about things that can harm your relationship, such as jealousy, lack of trust, and poor communication. By learning what not to do, you can avoid the pitfalls that can lead to a breakup. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when our next video goes live. Strengthen your long-distance relationship by knowing what to avoid.